Hey YouTube, this is the Mickey DGZ and I'm here to make a video to show you guys how to mod your PS2. See, first you're going to need 007 Agent Under Fire. You're going to need a copy of it, a burned copy that'll be able to boot into uLaunchELF, which is needed to install free MC boot from a flash drive, which will have millions of files that I am not about to name. You gotta turn on the PS2, make sure it runs. As you can see, it's running right now. And my PS2 is I already soft modded it, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to do the process to soft mod it on your own. Eventually I will post up links, or you guys can just look them up from the information that I'm going to give you on the description. So you see, the game's loading up. And might as well just skip that, you know. And there's a file that you're gonna have to replace, which is the second level. You have to load it first. It won't let you go just like that. So you gotta load up your saved file to be able to go to the second level. So right there, select mission. Alright. And this is where the work is going to be done. As you can see, the copy's in, and that came up. That's the file browser. You click O for the file browser, and you go down to mass, and then from there go down to free MC boot ELF, and that will load up free MC boot. Then from there, just install either normal or the multi version, whichever one you want. Once it's installed, you can just launch it. Then it'll just come up right there. Same thing as when you barely turn on a PS2 without a disc. And right there, it'll eventually come up. If it doesn't come out, I'll take out the disc and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, hold on. Just reset this now. Alright. It'll come up right now. Free MC boot right there. And it comes up like regular, but it has extra things. It has the browser, if you were to play a regular game, system configuration like a regular PS2, uLaunchELF, which is the thing that just came up, ESR. You can play patched ISOs, as in copies that you made, but they have to be patched with an ESR patcher. HD loader, which you can load a hard drive and play games from there. Simple media system, I still don't know what that does. Launch disk. I don't know what that does either. Reload configuration. It'll reload this whole thing right here. And in the free MC boot configurator, you can edit the things that allow this to be enabled. And well, guys, that's about it. It's Miggy DGZ signing off.